Welcome to the Manchester School of Architecture. The MA in Architecture and Urbanism allows you to study and conduct in-depth research into the influence of global, cultural and economic forces on contemporary cities. This is a taught postgraduate course that places relationships between cities and their users at the core of the discipline. We focus on the global issues of urban form, its history, future directions, and the significance of architecture in framing the life of cities. The course is a balance between the professional concerns of architecture, urban design, and master planning, and research interests in urban heritage, placemaking, and future cities. Students follow a personal plan of research through both written and design projects, which address the issues of the contemporary city. This course offers an inclusive set of opportunities to revalue architecture as a process within an urban context. The diversity of studio projects may reflect urban problems local to the student's national status, or may present a response to a paradigm case study taken from the United Kingdom. The course assumes a student ethos of environmentally responsible design commitment in combination with a critical interest in urban regeneration and legacy structures. The Manchester School of Architecture is well integrated with the vibrant architectural community of a culturally diverse city, a powerful regional profession, and an extensive and active array of international partners. The programme is highly respected for the capability of its graduates who succeed in the trans-global setting of research and practice in architecture. The context of the rapid densification of Manchester City from post-industrial to regional capital provides a context for the student to benefit from conferences, exhibitions, lectures and publications. Combined Manchester Metropolitan and University of Manchester arrangements permit students the shared use of model making and library resources with opportunities to collaborate and disseminate their work across a variety of platforms. European research is also arranged when available through the Venice Biennale, allowing access to a valuable survey of the current direction of global architecture and urbanism. Havana, Cuba also offers a 4-week charrette that selects some MA Architecture and Urbanism students annually. We are an international staff team for an international course. A number of staff are both academics and practitioners, with current expertise and interests including architecture, art, urban design, planning, and heritage. As staff, we see great value in the exchange of interests and ideas, and invite you to share your own with us and with your peers, to be part of the architecture and urbanism dialogue. The course, consisting of 6 modules and 180 credits, is structured into 2 start points, one in September and the other in January. Each point of departure runs the same units but in a different order. Research and studio units focus on the development of research skills and methods integral to the field of urban design. There is a specific requirement for the production of disciplined academic writing in the form of a dissertation, which draws on this research context and on that established through the Cities and Urbanism seminar series. So there are 2 strands to the Architecture and Urbanism course. The first is Studio, with 1 block per term. Studio A typically explores issues in the design of cities, urban space, or urban-scaled architecture. This unit engages with urban environments and/or ideas, connecting local and global issues and opportunities. Studio B identifies project opportunities that respond to the urban condition in both local and global situations to nominate and agree a situation with which the thesis project will be developed and executed. Studio C forms the academic thesis project, typically communicating final resolution to professional presentation standards. Complementing Studio is a series of written modules. Cities and Urbanism, Ideologies and Futures is a seminar series delivered by students that explores the history and theory of architecture and urban design. Research Methodologies and Events is an opportunity for students to explore techniques and processes that inform design as a spatial practice in architecture and urbanism. And the dissertation itself is the opportunity to explore the research trajectory of a written thesis in architecture and urbanism by way of an extended piece of academic writing. We look forward to welcoming you to the Manchester School of Architecture.